Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Everyone, make sure you click that notification bell so that you are not missing any of my videos that I post every single week. I am back with another wig review for you guys, and I have to tell you, I have ventured out and tried my very first lace closure wig. Yes, I've done it and I'm super happy that I did. Today I will be reviewing the Unice 5x5 lace closure wig, so let's get right into it. Let's get started with the packaging. This is what your box is going to look like. I ordered mine on Amazon. If you want your box to stay nice and pretty and you're ordering it from Amazon, make sure you click the option when you're placing your order on Amazon that you want it in the Amazon packaging. If not, they will send it like this and your box will most likely get ripped up or messed up. So that's just a little tip for you guys if you are ordering your wigs from Amazon. I got the 5x5 lace closure wig in 18 inches and it says on the box that this is the Bet You series. That's what I'm assuming it is. On the inside of the box, mine came with a wig cap, which is pretty standard. And then it also came with this headband. And then it came with, of course, the wig, which comes in this type of bag. So it's not like a super cute like drawstring mesh bag or anything like that. It's a pretty standard bag with the net. I did have one complaint about the packaging. I didn't like how I didn't get like the little thank you card that Unice usually puts in every single box. Also, my headband came, it wasn't packaged or anything. It was just kind of like it was thrown in the box. But other than that, I mean, obviously when I received the wig, the lace was still on it, so it wasn't used or anything. It was just poor packaging. And I actually reached out to Unice and they were really great with customer service and they apologized and they also gave me a partial refund because they did miss the mark on the packaging. The wig cap construction on this wig is going to be very standard. You'll see when I style the wig where the combs are placed and all of that. I will tell you guys, this wig is going to be very big head friendly. I guess it's just a thing with Unice wigs. All of their wigs are extremely big head friendly because I have a very small head and it's always a struggle for me to find a wig cap that's going to fit perfectly. It comes with combs on the side, combs in the back, and there may be like some extra combs in there as well. You'll see that when I style the wig, but I did actually cut out all of the combs in this wig just because I just cannot stand combs. I also cut out the ear tabs in the wig. It just helps the wig to fit better for me, so that's going to be the wig construction on this wig. Now let's get right into the pros and the cons of this wig. This wig is going to be big head friendly for those of you who need it. For those of us with small heads, it's an easy fix, bobby pins, elastic band, you're good to go. This wig is a free part wig and great parting space. You can do it in any direction. The hair is super soft. The quality is amazing. The style of this wig is going to be a body wave style. After I washed and conditioned this wig, I had no tangling and very minimal shedding, nothing to write home about. It can be worn glueless if you prefer. It curls and flat irons very nicely. Now let's get into the cons. My biggest con for this wig is that I do not feel that it is 100% beginner friendly. Like I mentioned before, this is my first lace closure wig, so I was not sure how to really style this wig. So I wish it would have been easier to install, but after I got the hang of it, it was pretty simple. But in the beginning, being a beginner to lace closure wigs, I did find it pretty difficult. Like I mentioned before, if you have a small head like I do, you may need to sew in an elastic band. Sometimes the adjustable straps get too bunchy in the back for me, so that's why I feel like it'll be easier to sew in an elastic band so that the wig can lay flat and everything. Another con is that after I washed and conditioned this wig, the curl pattern did not revert back to that body wave style that it was originally straight out the pack. That con is just something that you should be aware of when you're purchasing this wig after you wash it. Don't freak out if it does not revert back, because once you curl it, it does curl up really nicely. And those are really all the cons that I have, all of which can be fixed easily, so it's definitely worth the investment to purchase this wig. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this wig an 8.5 out of 10. She is gorgeous, but with it being my first lace closure wig, I was hoping for it to be a bit more beginner friendly, as other reviews on YouTube mentioned. I was also super disappointed in the packaging, but like I said, Unice did make up for that, which is amazing customer service. Now that I know how to install this lace closure wig, I would definitely purchase it again. I'm already thinking about purchasing the straight unit, which I'm probably gonna order today. I will leave the link to where you can purchase this Unice wig on Amazon using my affiliate link in the description box below. Leave me a comment and let me know what unit you guys think I should try next. Should I try a bob? Should I try something longer? What do you guys think? Let me know. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. Thank you guys so much for 80K subscribers. We are super close to hitting that next milestone of 100K. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see how I styled my Unice 5x5 lace closure wig, keep on watching.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it?
sun stopped and you were gone, and I was hoping for another dawn. Now